Right, hello traders. So I want to tell you about my best trade today. Did very well today, and I'm going to tell you about one of them. In total, I was up 67 MES points. And one of the things we do in our group, I'll show you, is we have these different point clubs, okay? Where when you make 10 points on a trade, you post it in here, you explain why you entered it. I did one today, Pappy did one yesterday, and we like to celebrate people's successes in our group because, let's be honest, most people don't understand what we do, but other traders. So here's my trade ticket here. So I entered at 95.50. I entered on a front side in a fair value gap with a daily origin as my backup. All of this is basic core strategy. And I had my stop some distance above the daily origin. I expected the daily origin to hold, and it did, and did very nice. I trailed it down using our protection layer system, and was able to capture whatever, almost 14 points. So that was a very good trade. Yes, it's going counter. The trend was going up. Counter is not my favorite thing to do, but here's why I did it. Number one, how many ladder ups did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm gonna say 6, 7 ladder ups. I typically find 3 to 5 ladder ups is all we get. 7 tends to be the outlier. So you're starting to hit some sort of exhaustion level, which we can see clearly in these candles. It took out a daily high. There was a daily high, I think, right in here. That's not what I meant to do. I meant to do this. Yep, there's a daily high denoted by this color and pattern here. And it pushed it again, and then it pushed it again to this origin. So what I did, I actually entered two contracts. I entered a contract here at the front side, and I entered a contract at the high. It pushed it a little bit, it pushed it a little bit, pushed it a little bit. I just stayed patient, thinking this is time. It's 7 ladders up, it's accomplished a major goal, and it's hitting against a daily origin. And you don't play around with daily origins. And boom, did very nice. It could have done more, but I put my protection layer, it came and got it, no big deal. And you're out of the trade, and I'm done for the day. When you have a really good trade like that and you have a really good day like that, it's best just to take a breather, take a break. Your brain has been activated the entire time. This trade was 31 minutes long. I mean, all of my trades aren't that long. They're usually much shorter, but you're analyzing price action. You're looking for bounce levels. Where will price bounce back into my face? Where can I put my stop to where I have a bounce level protecting my stop? So we're all about knowing how to draw these bounce levels and entering trades and keeping our stops behind bounce levels. And so that is how that worked. So there's an example of a core strategy trade at microstrader.com. Thanks a lot.